If you've come across the Purelia Liver Supplement online and you're wondering whether it's actually worth your money or just another overhyped product, you're definitely not alone. This supplement is being marketed as a complete liver support formula that claims to help with everything from boosting your energy levels to improving digestion and even clearing brain fog. According to the product, it uses a liquid formula with ingredients like NAC, glutathione, and milk thistle, which are often associated with liver health. It also promotes itself as a 100% natural solution with no fillers, claiming better absorption compared to capsules. On top of that, it promises benefits like reducing bloating, supporting liver enzymes, improving metabolism, and helping you feel more energetic throughout the day. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, when we look beyond the marketing, there are some important concerns you should be aware of. First, even though ingredients like NAC and milk thistle are commonly used in supplements, there is no strong or conclusive scientific evidence that this product can actually deliver all the results it promises. The marketing feels quite overhyped, especially when it talks about fixing fatigue, improving digestion, and boosting overall wellness in a very broad and guaranteed-sounding way. Another concern is the kind of health claims being made. The product suggests it can repair liver damage, improve enzyme levels, and even help with conditions like fatty liver. These are serious medical issues, and no over-the-counter supplement can realistically guarantee such results. Claims like these should always be taken with caution. The idea that the liquid formula is significantly better absorbed than capsules also seems a bit misleading. While liquid supplements can be easier to consume, there isn't strong scientific proof showing that they're always more effective in terms of absorption or results. It's also worth noting that there is no clear medical approval or strong clinical backing showing that this supplement can treat or cure liver-related conditions. This makes the bold claims even more questionable. On top of that, this product follows a very common liver cleanse marketing pattern that we've seen with many similar supplements, where the same types of ingredients are used, but the promised benefits are often exaggerated. Lastly, there doesn't seem to be solid, verified customer feedback from reliable sources. Without real, independent reviews, it becomes harder to trust whether the product actually works as advertised. So overall, while purely a liver supplement may sound promising at first, these red flags suggest that you should approach it carefully, do your own research, and avoid relying on it as a guaranteed solution for serious health concerns.